Welcome to this place that's more than just a YouTube channel. It is a home, a table, a sacred beginning.
The Home Project is about coming home. Home to love, to truth, to your own heart, and to one another.
It's not built on rules or systems, but on real life, raw, honest, and alive.
We believe the family is the source of life. When a father and mother become one in both flesh and spirit, they create not only a safe place for their children to grow, but also a deep place of rest for each other.
In this, the family reflects who God is, love in relationship, in unity.
We live what we share, not only from success stories, but from full surrender. Some of us prayed in deep brokenness and were given to one another as a divine answer.
From that sacred beginning, marriages were born, children were received, and this channel, this calling, began to take shape.
The Home Project is not just content creation, it is our covenant in motion.
Our marriages, our parenthood, and the daily life we live in love form the living foundation from which this channel flows.
And through it all, we've discovered real healing and coming home does not begin with knowledge, but with the heart.
Coming home is not a theory. It is a path of love, a path that sets you free from fear, from duty, and from the walls of religion.
This channel is here for you. If you're longing for something that feels real, if you're seeking love that goes beyond the surface of words.
Whether you've been part of a church and carry pain, or have never met God before, you are welcome here.
The Home Project is about coming home to yourself, to each other, and to the one who is love.
We do not build this channel only for you, but also for your children and their children after them, so they may always remember the way home.
Here you'll find short videos on heart healing, relational restoration, scriptural depth on essential themes, and small daily practices that work in real life.
We invite you to step into our rooms, which you'll find as playlists on this channel. In each room, we share from a different angle.
Family, marriage and intimacy, faith beyond the walls, inner healing, personal stories, and the spiritual truth behind ordinary life.
What we have discovered, we now offer with open hands, not as answers, but as living reflections, in which you may recognize what's true for you, in you.
We welcome your stories, your questions, and your reflections, because together we learn and grow, and together we walk this path of love.
We will guard the tone of this place so it remains sacred, safe, and free.
So take a seat at our table, subscribe if you feel drawn, and walk with us.
The Home Project is our life in motion, and maybe, just maybe, a little piece of yours too.